Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gorretti. If you're new here, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. A lot of people make the mistake of thinking that applying quality and a huge quantity of hair products is what makes our hair grow longer and stronger faster. But that is a mistake that should be corrected. Our hair needs more than just hair products to grow longer and stronger. It needs to be fed not only from the outside but also from the inside. That is why I'm going to share two superfoods that are essential for hair growth. This combination of eating these superfoods is what has helped me to grow my hair from this point to this point in only 11 months. So I'm going to be sharing with you the kind of foods you need to grow your hair longer and stronger and really fast. But before we get to the video, I would like you to check out the video I did previously about using aloe vera for massive hair growth. Once you are done with this video, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So now let's get to the video. It is important to feed your hair from both inside and outside, and most of us actually only feed our hair outside without caring about what we eat, because what we eat contributes greatly to how long, how fast, how strong, and how healthy our hair is. So if you want your hair to grow longer and stronger, you need to eat the right foods. Don't just go eating any kind of food, especially avoid junk food. That has no benefit not only to your hair but also to your body. The first kind of food you need is protein. Our hair is mainly made of protein, which is present in every hair strand. And therefore, for our hair to grow long, for our hair to grow strong, we need proteins. And don't just eat meat every day and claim that you are eating proteins. There are types of proteins that are necessary and are essential for hair growth. The different proteins that your hair needs to grow longer, stronger, and fast are keratin and biotin, which can be obtained through eating food. Even though they are available as supplements, it's not as healthy as the food we eat. Also, the benefits in the supplements are a bit reduced compared to the fresh food you buy uh, in the grocery store, in the supermarket, and cook for yourself and eat. So it's really important to eat food that is packed with keratin and biotin. Lack of both keratin and biotin in our hair leads to hair fall, hair thinning, and just breakage. So it's really important to make sure that the food you're eating has these kinds of proteins. Some foods that contain keratin include eggs, milk, soya, and yogurt. These are foods that are available in just our local shops, and it's really important as the protein in these types of foods provide keratin, and keratin gives our hair the body it needs to be strong. So it's important to include eggs in your diet. Make sure you include yogurt. It doesn't matter, you can eat a plain yogurt or sweetened yogurt. Both have the proteins your hair needs to grow longer. The foods that contain biotin are mainly seeds and nuts, and these include sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds, and such. These are readily available and really cheap, so it's easy for you to grow your hair longer and stronger using these types of seeds, because with like 100 shillings you have 100 grams of pumpkin seeds. So it's really cheap. It's really available. The nuts that contain biotin include cashew nuts, peanuts, and almond nuts. Again, these are very available. These are cheap. and you can find them even when you're walking on the road. Hawkers are selling them, so it's really easy for you to grow your hair long and strong when you include nuts in your diet. So make sure you buy nuts and include them in your diet. In addition, meat, salmon, and fortified cereals are also superfoods that help you to grow your hair longer and stronger, because they have the biotin that helps your hair to build body, therefore giving it volume and making it strong. The second type of superfoods that promote hair growth faster include vegetables. These provide vitamins that are essential for hair growth, that give your hair body, that give your hair moisture. They don't just help your hair, but also your body. They are really good for your skin. They give you smooth skin, they give you clear skin, they prevent acne. And if you want both strong, long hair and clear skin, you need to eat these vegetables. These vegetables are packed with vitamin A, C, and E. And these are vitamins that help in different ways for your hair to grow longer and stronger. Vitamin A helps in the production of sebum, which keeps your scalp moisturized and healthy. This is important because it creates a healthy environment for the hair to grow. Therefore, you need to eat foods that provide vitamin A. Some of the foods that are rich in vitamin A include carrots and sweet potatoes. These are a type of roots which are colored mostly, and the color helps really much in hair growth. On the other hand, vitamin C and E are extremely powerful antioxidants that help to prevent chemical reactions that may damage hair producing cells. Therefore, eating foods that increase the antioxidants levels in your blood ensures that your hair follicles are strong and produce stronger hair. Foods that are rich in antioxidants include blueberries, strawberries, chocolate, spinach, avocados, beetroots, and beans. Again, these are foods that are available in the market really easily, and they are very cheap. So it's easy for you to grow your hair long and strong. You don't need a lot of things. You don't need a lot of, even though hair products are essential, even though you do need them, you don't need a lot, because moisturizing your hair from the inside and ensuring that your hair is stronger by eating healthy foods makes your hair strong from the inside, therefore preventing breakage, preventing thinning and fallout of your hair. Before I give you the bonus point, which a lot of people know but ignore, click that subscribe button below, the red button. It will only take a millisecond and it's free. So yeah, okay. Here's the thing. Drinking water helps to moisturize your hair from the inside. And a lot of people ignore this. But it is really important for you to drink a lot of water, at least 2 liters of water every day. This helps to reduce dryness and helps also to build the body of your hair, which makes it stronger, of course, and prevents breakage and hair damage. Our bodies are about 70% made of water, and hair is not different, because our body needs a lot of water to function. Therefore, hair also needs a lot of water to function. And functioning includes growing long, growing strong, and growing healthy. You need to drink a lot of water to have healthy scalp and to have healthy hair. If you've been eating the foods mentioned in this video and you've seen a difference in your hair growth, leave a comment below and let's know how you've been eating them, how you've been preparing them, and what kind of change you have experienced with your hair. Also, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and the notification bell that appears right after, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.